6 businesses you can start with $1,500 to $3,500 in 2025. Starting a business doesn't have to mean spending tens of thousands of dollars. With $1,500 to $3,500, you can build a small but profitable business that can grow over time. The key is focusing on low-cost, high-demand services and products that are easy to scale. Welcome to Rich Mind. Here we share practical money strategies, side hustles, and real business ideas that actually work. Today, I'll show you 6 businesses you can start with $1,500 to $3,500 in 2025. Number 1, mini vending cafe concept. Instead of one vending machine, create a small self-service coffee and snack corner. With $2,000 to $3,000, set up a countertop coffee maker, a snack dispenser, and a compact fridge in high-traffic spots like gyms, co-working offices, or apartment lobbies. Selling 20 cups of coffee a day at $3 each equals $60 daily, or nearly $1,800 a month. Add snacks and drinks, and your monthly revenue can easily exceed $2,000. The best part? This business needs only weekly restocking and minor maintenance. Number 2, specialized cleaning service. Carpet and upholstery cleaning is always needed. For $1,500 to $2,500, buy a commercial carpet cleaner, a steam unit for sofas and mattresses, and eco-friendly solutions. Each job can bring $80 to $150. With just 15 to 20 bookings, your investment is fully recovered. After that, your only expenses are cleaning supplies. Expand by offering packages for hotels, Airbnb hosts, or offices. A single contract with a small office could add $500 to $1,000 monthly revenue. Number 3, used car or motorcycle flips. With $2,000 to $3,000, you can buy a second-hand vehicle that only needs minor detailing or cosmetic fixes. For example, a $2,200 car might only need $200 of touch-ups and can be resold for $3,000. That's around $600 profit on one flip. Do this 2 or 3 times a month and you've built a steady side income. Start with easy-to-sell models, focus on interior detailing, and learn which vehicles hold value. Number 4, photo booth and event rentals. The events market is thriving. With $2,000 to $3,500, you can purchase a selfie photo booth, LED lights, and simple backdrops. Each event booking can earn $200 to $400. After 8 to 10 events, your equipment is fully paid off. Boost income by adding party extras like Bluetooth speakers or decorative lighting. Partnering with wedding planners or local event coordinators can bring recurring bookings. Number 5, small landscaping and lawn care service. If you don't mind outdoor work, this is a reliable business. With $2,000 to $3,000, you can buy a high-quality lawnmower, hedge trimmer, and garden tools. A basic job pays $50 to $100, and 10 to 15 jobs per month can recover your costs in 6 to 8 weeks. Seasonal services like fall leaf cleanup or spring garden prep can increase your earnings. With monthly maintenance contracts, you can turn it into stable recurring income. Number 6, mobile pop-up BBQ or grill stand. Food stands are still profitable in 2025. For $2,500 to $3,500, you can start a mobile BBQ, burger, or taco stand at local events, weekend markets, or parks. A busy weekend can generate $500 to $1,000 in sales. Focus on simple, high-margin foods like sliders or grilled skewers. Within a few months, this setup can pay for itself, and you can expand to multiple events or private catering. Which business should you start? If you prefer service-based income, cleaning or landscaping is solid. If you want event-driven profits, photo booths or food stands are a strong choice. And if you want something semi-passive, the mini cafe corner could be your best bet. The key is to choose one idea, test it for 90 days, and reinvest your profits. Final thoughts. Your first $3,500 can either disappear on random expenses or become the foundation of a small business that earns money for years. Take action, start small, and focus on building consistent income. Which business would you start first? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Rich Mind for more actionable business strategies and financial tips.